Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Kick going live notifications on Discord. Alright, the first program I'm going to be using is Botrix, and you're going to want to be going to integrations, and from integrations you're going to come down here to Kick, and you're going to select Kick, and then you're going to select where you want the notifications received from which area. I'm just going to go ahead and select. In my case, it's going to be Arctic Live, and then just click Accept. Then you're going to go ahead and write your message out. So, at everyone, Articskyfox is now live on Kick. Show some support. And then you're just gonna write something like that and hit save changes. Notibot should then be in your Discord. Botrix notification channel established. So now Botrix is now in my Discord and will be pushing out notifications. I do have a whole separate video on Botrix. Make sure to go ahead and check it out if you never used it. Alright, so I'm going to put this website in the description. It's called top.gg, and you're just going to put Noti in. So once you find Noti and everything, you're going to come over here and hit invite. So then you're going to select what server you want to use. For me, I already have it in there, so I don't have to do this. So you're just going to go through the checks that you want the Notibot to have. Alright, so I do have Notibot in here, and this is what it kind of looks like. You do want to put it in where you're going to be having your live notifications, so make sure to select that once it's in the Discord server and all. So this is just what it looks like. It tells you like Articskyfox is now live. How would you explain the idea of justice to an alien? It puts the title in completely and everything. It tells you what the streamer is doing. So for me, this time it was just chatting. I have 46 followers. At the time, 0 viewers are in. And just kind of gives you a little pop-up of what like it is on stream and everything. So this is my intro stream. So it will either show the game or whatever scene you are on. So then down here you have like watch Articskyfox on kick.com. It takes you straight to the URL. You can invite Noti straight from the person's live notification area, and then you have this, which I'm not sure what this is. I'm thinking it's like it like deletes it or something. Don't touch that. And that's really how you set up Noti bot and Botrix for live notifications. Leave a comment down below what bot you are planning on using and what is best for yourself. I am interested in which one you're going to choose out of the two, because these are the only two at the current time that have Kick support. And if you're new to Articskyfox, please go ahead and hit that subscribe channel. I'm almost to 100 subs, and then I get my own custom URL.